Today I'm here with Samantha from Piedmont Residential, and we are here to talk about a brand new community called Creekside at Magnolia. And it is in Bremen, and a lot of you out there might not have heard of Bremen before. So Samantha, I kind of want to start today with, tell us a little bit about Bremen.
Yeah, so it's a great location just 45 minutes outside of Atlanta. This community is great for first-time home buyers, growing families, or move-up buyers. Buyers will have the opportunity to send their children to Bremen City Schools, one of Georgia's top 10 school districts. Also, there's great shopping, dining, and entertainment close by in downtown Bremen. Interstate I-20 is a few miles away, making it a breeze to get to Atlanta and surrounding areas. Creekside at Magnolia offers a swimming pool and clubhouse for the homeowners. You'll find amazing quality in our homes and a fantastic lifestyle in the neighborhood. Our plans range in square footage from 1,900 to over 3,000 square foot, with ranch, master on the main, and two-story floor plans with craftsman-style exteriors available. Buyers will find other amazing features in our homes at Creekside at Magnolia, including the standard of virtual rot-free hardy plank exteriors, with options to upgrade to stone or brick accents. All of our homes are offered with a variety of upgrades and options. With Piedmont Residential, buyers are given the opportunity to be the first-time home buyer in an affordable manner.
And Samantha, I understand that the model home is actually the Graham floor plan, so walk me through that floor plan.
Sure, it's over 2,400 square feet, featuring 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The Grand features a great open layout from the kitchen throughout the family room. There are 3 secondary bedrooms upstairs and a great owner suite with spacious bathroom and walk-in closets. Each home is built with the home buyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we're proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops. Because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. The homes at Creekside Magnolia are selling fast. Hurry in, these won't last long.
Well, Samantha, I know that you are currently selling now at Creekside at Magnolia, so what is the best way to get in touch with you?
Sure, our sales centers are open daily. You can reach us at 678-977-2200 to schedule an appointment or visit our website at piedmontresidential.com.
Well, Samantha, it is always great to see you. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.